Hi, good morning. Welcoming you all to a healthy episode of Healthy Hair Care Commune. Okay, so today we will be dealing with what healthy hair care routine. So is there a healthy hair care routine? Yes, there is a healthy hair care routine that help you to grow your hair very strong and healthy. So let's go to the routine. First of all, I am asking you a simple question. Which time do you go to bed, dears? Yeah, early to bed, early to rise. Why early to bed, early to rise? I will tell you. Okay, most of the patients coming now in OP, that is most of the teenagers or the college going students or job going persons also, what they will be doing is that they will be sleeping at 2 a.m. and waking up at 9 a.m. and then they will be rushing home. Okay, rushing from the home. And what they are doing? Here, our cortisol hormone is increasing. What is cortisol hormone? It is stress hormone. When our stress hormone is increasing, what is happening? Automatically, we have wakened late, we are not taking enough food, and we will be running, we will be filled with anxiety, stress, and all. You will not be taking correct timely food. Your motion will not be correctly going and you will be having constipation. Most of them will be having constipation. You will not be taking enough water. So what this is leading to? Not like this. Most of the cases coming in the OP is they are having cold, they are having sneezing, and they are having all the respiratory tract infections. And since months they are taking many medicines but they are not getting any relief. Why they are not getting any relief? Because they are doing the big mistake. They are not early to bed and they are not early to rise. That's what I can tell you. Because the kapha is vitiated here according to Ayurveda. Then how about the body heat? Yeah, body heat is keeping on increasing. And as the body heat is keeping on increasing, your pitta is also increased. So without keeping friends with the kapha and pitta, we will not get a strong, good and a healthy hair. Okay, then how many liters of water are you drinking a day? I know what answer you will be giving. I am not feeling thirsty. Why I have to drink water? Are you having dandruff? You will be keeping on using all the shampoos showing in the advertisement. But still you are not getting relief. Why? You are not taking enough water. If you are having 25 kg of weight, you have to take 1 liter of water. Okay, so drink water. Next thing what you will be thinking, oh, anything liquid must be going into my body, isn't it? So let me replace it with carbonated drinks. Water is water, dears. No carbonated drinks or no soft drinks can replace it. Okay, so please make sure you are taking enough water. Then the third main thing is that is also if you have any hormonal imbalance or PCOD, or if you have any constipation, diarrhea or any related talk, if you are having a long-standing fever also, please take care of that. After taking care of that, you must be going for Ayurvedic treatments. Okay, so here I have told you these two main points. Then third point, what we can be doing is that you have to make sure you are getting enough nutrition to your body. Yes, since months, 2 to 3 months, you are having severe hair fall. Just think, what all food are you taking? Are you getting sufficient vitamins? Are you getting sufficient protein, zinc and iron? Yeah, calcium. These all factors are essential for a healthy, strong hair. So make sure. And for ladies, there's a big challenge. I have told you, isn't it? 250 to 500 ml of blood will be going from the body during the period time. You have to replace it with your fruit, with the fruits, vegetables and all. So make sure you are taking this correctly. Then only any supplements will work. Okay, so make sure among your food you will be taking beetroot, carrot. I have told in my last video, isn't it? We can take carrot juice, beetroot juice and we must take pomegranate juice and all. Then what we have to check? Next main thing we have to check is that you are getting enough nutrients and all. And how you are applying oil. Nowadays in the OP, I can tell most of the persons I meet will be telling, I am not applying any oil. Your hair needs oil. Your hair needs food. And what is its food? It needs oil. But I am not telling you daily you must apply oil, daily head bath. No. I will tell you how to apply. Okay, and also I'm not telling you that is you must be keeping on shampooing your hair, because these all, how much you are adherent to your chemicals, these chemicals will be destroying your hair actually. So how you have to apply your oil? You have to apply your oil on the marma points. Marma points means when the second finger comes this area is called the vertex area. This area you have to apply. First start apply oil, okay? And apply on the whole scalp, not on the hair. Yeah. I'm telling to you, you have to apply on the whole scalp. Give a gentle massage, dears. Always, most of the parents used to tell me, my kid is very hyperactive, ma'am. I don't know how to control them. And some of the parents used to tell me, my kid is not having hair now. So, observe the food habits. Okay, food habits, what all you have to avoid. I was treating a patient who was taking chicken 3 times a day, fried chicken. Okay, morning she need a chicken leg, afternoon she need a chicken leg, night she need a chicken leg. So what happened? After a few months, her hair started going here, round in alopecia patches. One video I had done before. Okay, so when her parents came to meet me, they were telling, ma'am, she is not having hair in this much area. For a girl, if it is not having hair in this much area, you know, isn't it? So we must ready that. Then only she will be able to go outside. She is losing her confidence also nowadays. So I was telling to that patient to stop that habit. Then only I was able to clear that. Okay. So please stop taking this oily, fried, spicy items. For your kids also, please observe. Don't keep on giving these items. Also these chocolate items, Maggi, sweets and all. Don't continuously feed them with that, because it is increasing the worms in their body. When there is worms in their body, it is hampering their digestion, immunity and the hair growth. Okay, so you have to make sure you are not giving all of these items. Okay, so we were telling about what? We were telling about the hair care items, and I was telling you about the food items, what all we have to check. So oil massage, you have to do it. When you do the oil massage, you must give a light pull to your hair like this. Why? To stimulate the hair follicles for a better strength of the hair. Okay, so these much things we will be doing. Then what we will be doing? I will be telling you 2 super hair packs. So, but it will be telling it within the few minutes. Okay, so please keep on watching the video. Please don't skip this video. Okay, so these all things you have to do it correctly. Then after applying the oil, what you have to do, dears? What I will be telling is that you have to do scientific combing. So what is scientific combing? Yeah, if you take a hair comb, okay, it is having this type and this type, but comb your hair with this type, that is, it is having gap between this, isn't it? Okay, and comb it from left to right 5 times, right to left 5 times, front to back 5 times, back to front 5 times. Morning and evening, make sure you are combing like this. Okay, because this is to increase the blood circulation, and this will also help the sebum production to spread whole scalp. If there is a healthy sebum production the whole scalp, that also help in the growth of healthy hair. Okay, so this much point you keep in your mind. Then I am coming to the hair pack. Okay, I will be telling you 2 hair pack that we can be doing at home. But make sure you are not having any cold. If you are having cold, dears, please go and consult a doctor. Please take its treatment. Then only you have to apply this hair pack. Okay, so you know fenugreek seeds, isn't it? Take a little fenugreek seeds, soak in water. Next day morning, you have to grind it with a little gooseberry. Yeah, Amla. Along with the gooseberry, curry leaves. Curry leaves, if it is grown in home, it is very good. Okay, then with a little tulsi leaves and a little curd, make a paste, apply it on the scalp. Apply it for 30 minutes, then wash. You can try to wash if you are at home, if hibiscus leaf is available, then you can do it. That is, wash your hair with hibiscus leaf and wash with rice water, that is prepared the day before. Okay, because these all are very good for the hair than any other shampoo in the world. Trust me, I always used to do like that. Okay, so it will be helping your hairs. Next, what you have to do is that, okay, then after applying this, and you have to, after 30 minutes, you have to wash it off. Don't apply this hair mask daily. Apply it 2 days or 3 days once. It will be helping you. The next second hair mask I am going to tell you, take a 1 bunch of neem leaves. Neem leaves, you have to boil it in 4 glass of water. After boiling it in 4 glass of water, what you have to do? You have to strain it and wash these hair with this water. And these neem leaves on the alternate days, make a paste of these neem leaves and apply on the scalp. Okay, so I hope this information was very helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, put in the comment box. Okay, thank you.